In this video, I am going to walk you through how to access your 1099-K issued by PayPal. The first thing you want to do is log into your PayPal business account. Go to the menu at the top of the screen and click on Activity. And then from there, you go to Reports, All Reports. And then you go to the option that says Tax, which is at the end of the screen. Scroll down a bit, you'll see Form 1099-K. You hit this arrow here, and then it's going to give you all of your 1099-K forms that have been issued by PayPal. And then you can simply click on Download in the action column to download your copy of the 1099-K form. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to watch all of the other videos in our How to Get My 1099-K series.